All white G Fazos. No cap. I'm feeling holy. All white G Fazos, I'm feeling holy. No cap. I gotta put this cap on my stem, speaking of cap, because I went to change my tire and they forgot to put my shit back on. There we go. Yeah. Let me show you. We gotta see the whole width, man. This is my baby right here. I love you. You've been through so much, man. I love this car so much. You're so beautiful. Just look at you. You look so aggressive, so menacing. Just look at the spoiler. All the feel me? God damn. But let me talk to y'all real quick. Alright, so look. Alright. What's good, man? Your boy Elisocray, man. I'm starving, bro. No cap. I'm about to go get me some Panda Express. Panda. I'm about to go get me some Panda. No cap. Yeah, I don't know what I want. Like a nice platter of white rice, orange chicken. Oh, and a nice drink. Oh my God. Oh, that's gonna hit. I'm about to go pick that up right now. This girl blowing up my phone. These snow bunnies be going crazy, man. Some snow bunny with green eyes, man. She blowing my shit up. No cap. She went crazy. She telling me she got COVID and all that shit. I'm telling you, you gotta stay away from me, baby, until you heal, baby. No cap. 2 weeks at least. Ain't better get the vaccine. No kidding. But yeah, man. I'm on my way to Panda right now. Feel me? Get this mukbang on. I'm starving. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn hit notification bell. We out here. No cap. Push the start. No cap in my raps. I just got done driving the U-Haul, so this car gonna feel so fast now. This car finna feel so fast, bro. Let's go. That's a lie, cause I still see pain. Watch that car. Stop, smack shit up. No cap. Oh, hat on the sheet. Damn, they in competition. Look, you got 2 Chinese places. You got Saku, Japan, and then you got Panda Express right there. You know they in business. You know they big time in business. No key. Panda Express. Panda Express. Yeah. Oh, it's empty too. That's how I like it. It's empty, just how I like it. I mean, I treat you like a real lady. Oh yeah, this one look crazy. They got a lot of options here. They didn't have this much options when I was in California. Oh, this look way better, bro. I think I'm gonna get that rice right there with all the stuff in it. No cap. I don't know which one to get though. You got egg rolls. What is this? Oh, that's Benji beef. Never heard of that. Yes. Can I get do you have white rice or no? Alright, can I get no? Damn it. Alright, so I take this.
Fried rice?
Yeah, I take fried rice with orange chicken.
Orange chicken, that's it?
Yeah. Yeah, that and orange chicken, that's it.
You want double orange chicken?
Yeah, I'll take double, yeah. Thank you. Yes, sir, I'm gonna eat good. What the fuck about? Actually, you know what? I take orange chicken in this.
Sesame chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, sir. So we're gonna get the food. I see on the crib, man. Peace. I'm gonna grab a soda too. I don't know. This is ginger ale. Can I get a Sprite? I'm gonna get a Sprite. I didn't know they had a Sprite. They had a Sprite. Got the fortune cookie in there. You already know. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Yo, what's good, man? Your boy Elisocray in the building, man. Today I'm coming at you with a banger. We got a food review, man. Feel me? Panda Express, baby. But y'all already knew that, because we just went through the whole goddamn Explorer. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'm looking forward to this. I haven't eaten this in a while, at least a year, man. Feel me? But look, check it. We got that Sprite. Shoosh. Come on, I told y'all, man. Sodas be better than juice, because juice don't got that kick. You need that kick sometimes, man. We got a fortune cookie, man. There was like 2-3 times in my life I got a fortune cookie and did not have a fortune in it. If that means something, let me know in the comment box. If that means good luck or it means anything, let me know in the comment box, man. We got some freaking plum sauce. What the hell is plum sauce? What do I look like? Dudes gave me plum sauce, man. No, we got a fork, napkins, and ooh, I got another type of sauce, man. What is this? Hot sauce? Some type of sauce. This is some soy sauce, all that, man. Woo-wee! Alright, man, listen. We here for this right here, this bad boy. Let me show you guys what I got, man, just in case you ain't see. EV. Let's open that up. Ooh-wee! Oh my God. Oh, look at that, man. That thing going crazy. Oh my God. I know y'all hungry, man. I got orange chicken with a side of sesame chicken. There's some string beans there, and I got some fried rice, man. Got some eggs on there, look like some carrots, all that good stuff, man. No cap. I'm about to bust down on this drink. I'm starving. So, no further ado, let's get straight into it, man. Whew, I'm hungry as hell. Oh my God. First meal of the day. I've been doing a lot of moving today and all that, so can't wait to finally grub, man. Very gotta go. Let's think about food and everything else. Everything out. Let's go. Oh man. Mmm. Whoa. Hold on. This is good as hell. 10. Period. There goes the rating. This food has salt. Bro, when I had this in California, it literally had no flavor, no salt, nothing. It was bland. It's salt in here right now. I'm tasting a lot of sodium right now. New York food would just be different. I'm telling you. This is hitting right now. That rice is good. I'm thinking that's a pepper. Definitely a pepper. String bean. Fire. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, orange chicken is like the best thing you can get at Panda Express. The orange chicken is fire, bro. Let that focus, come on. Fire, bro. Mix that all in with the rice. Got a link with somebody. Bro. This was a great choice. I know what my body wants. Orange chicken and sesame chicken go so well together. Oh man. Woo! I'm starting to feel a little full already. That's crazy. One thing I like about Panda is that they make sure your order is full. You literally have to get both sides filled. That's why they ask you, like, do you want 2 sides of whatever you ordered? I feel like if you don't want a second side, they won't give it to you though, if you really don't want it. But they recommend it, I guess. Not gonna lie, I gotta get my size back. I lost some weight. Get that shit right back. Gonna hit the gym this week. Get my muscles back. It won't take long. Just gotta rebuild the memory. The muscles already there. Just gotta rebuild the memory. Take about a month. I'll be back to where I was, or damn near close. All right, so I ain't gonna lie, I'm full. Got that much left. I'm gonna save this for later. I'm gonna chill with somebody later, so I'm gonna be smoking a lot, I'm gonna get hungry. And so I gotta spend money again. Say this. That feeling be so amazing when you forget you have food. Or then you remember. Like you put your food in the fridge, forget you have it, and you open the fridge later, and you see that shit. Alright man, that was Panda Express, man. I already rated it from that first bite. I feel like I rated it high like that, I was starving, but that really was good. I'm gonna give it a 10. I'm gonna let it keep it steady. No, I just underscore, I'm gonna let it keep it. It was good. Recommend it. I paid $12. That's because of the soda. It really would have been like what? 10? But it was good though. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoyed. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed the vid, man. Smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.